Hello, welcome to the video. Within this video we'll be looking at another new product that's rather useful from Kegland, namely the mash stirrer. I will give you all of the key facts and details in a timely manner while showing you the product fully. So let's get to it. So here is the mash stirrer and mixer to give it its full title, though from this point I will simply use mash stirrer. This is made from solid bar stock high grade stainless steel that feels very solid and well made in the hand. At one end of the mash stirrer we have a 1/4 inch hex drive, making it suitable for drills. Adding a drill like this will certainly make the mixing of your grain very fast and efficient. You also get the opportunity to use power tools, which for many always feels good. At the opposite end we have the mixing part, as you can see here. This is the part that will come into contact with your grain and is very smooth and has been designed to not scratch your grain basket if you come into contact with it. It is fair to say that there are other solutions out there, but none that are purpose-built that will not scratch your grain basket that I am aware of. Here is the mash stirrer when attached to a drill. Now let's look at the sizing. The length of the product itself is 60 centimeters in length, which is the equivalent of 23.62 inches. I believe that this length will make it comfortable for use for most people. The diameter of the mixer part is 7 centimeters, which is the equivalent of 2.76 inches, and very manageable for using with brewing systems of all sizes, I feel. So now I'm doing something that I would never usually do, and that is to add all of my grain to my mash water at once. The reason for this is that by adding grain gradually and stirring as you go, you can ensure that you have a nice mix and, more importantly, no grain clumping together. However, by using this mash stirrer, as you can see, it very quickly mixes your grain and removes dough balls, as they are known. My method here is to ensure that every grain gets a good stir by working as methodically as possible. To complete all of the mixing needed should not take any more than a minute or so in total, which in comparison to doing this manually is saving you time and effort, but with the reassurance that your mash is being correctly prepared. I guess that over my years on YouTube I have already said this more than a few hundred times, but that when it comes to a brew day, your mash preparation is a key area, and no matter how well the rest of your brew goes, an incorrectly prepared mash will impact the rest of your brew with efficiency losses. If this is left unaddressed, then this will certainly negatively impact your ABV, and due to this your end beer will also be more bitter than intended too. So far I've used the mash stirrer for a few different brews and my efficiency numbers have been very much on point, so I feel confident to recommend this. In keeping with Kegland's company profile, the mash stirrer has been well thought out and is of good quality, and yet is offered at a very reasonable price. So there you have it. What do you think about Kegland's new mash stirrer? Do let myself and the community know in the comments section of this video. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!